Electric hypercars, just the phrase alone sparks excitement. They represent the perfect marriage of cutting-edge technology and jaw-dropping performance. In 2024, we're witnessing the dawn of a new era where electric hypercars are not just fast. They're redefining what it means to be sustainable, luxurious, and downright futuristic. So, buckle up, because the future of driving has never looked this thrilling, or this green. First, let's talk performance, because, let's face it, when someone says hypercar, the first thing that comes to mind is speed. Electric hypercars are pushing boundaries in ways that combustion engines simply can't. Take the Rimac Nevera, for instance. This beast is capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. That's faster than your morning coffee hits you. And it's not alone. Automakers like Tesla, Lotus, and even Ferrari are all stepping into the hypercar game with electric models that can outperform traditional supercars. The secret behind this insane performance? Torque. Electric motors deliver 100% torque instantly. There's no lag, no delay, just pure, unadulterated acceleration. It's like stepping into a roller coaster that you control. This instant power delivery makes electric hypercars not just fast but also incredibly responsive. But here's where it gets even better. Tech innovation is ensuring that these cars aren't just quick in a straight line. They're redefining handling, too. Advanced AI systems are now capable of analyzing every millisecond of a drive, adjusting torque distribution, and making micro-adjustments to the suspension. So, whether you're hugging a corner on a racetrack or taking a spirited drive through mountain roads, the car is basically reading your mind. And while we're geeking out on tech, let's not forget batteries. The Achilles heel of EVs has always been their range and charging time. But in 2024, that narrative is changing. Solid-state batteries are entering the game, offering higher energy densities, faster charging, and longer lifespans. Some electric hypercars now boast ranges of over 500 miles, so long-range anxiety. Now, let's pivot to sustainability, because this is where electric hypercars really shine. Traditional hypercars guzzle fuel like they're in a drinking contest. Electric hypercars? They're all about efficiency. The manufacturing process for many of these vehicles is being revamped to use recycled materials and renewable energy sources. Even the interiors are seeing a sustainable makeover, with vegan leather and fabrics made from recycled ocean plastics. And don't think sustainability comes at the cost of luxury. Picture this. You're sitting in a cabin that feels like a futuristic lounge, surrounded by touchscreen panels and augmented reality displays. Everything you touch is premium, everything you see is cutting edge, and you're wrapped in a cocoon of silence, until you decide to unleash the full power of your electric beast. One incredible example of tech and sustainability merging is regenerative braking. It's a feature that not only enhances performance but also recharges your battery every time you hit the brakes. So, technically, the harder you drive, the more efficient you become. It's like a gym membership where the more you work out, the less you pay. Genius! But it's not just about the car itself, it's about the ecosystem these vehicles are creating. Imagine owning a hypercar that integrates seamlessly with your smart home. You plug it in, and it communicates with your house, deciding the best time to charge based on electricity rates. Or better yet, it feeds energy back into your home during a blackout. Your hypercar isn't just transportation, it's an essential part of your energy system. Now, here's the cherry on top. These advancements aren't limited to a few elite brands. The technology developed for electric hypercars often trickles down to more affordable EVs. So, while you might not own a Bugatti Bolide EV tomorrow, the innovations that make it incredible will shape the future of everyday electric vehicles. It's a win-win for everyone. Of course, no discussion about the future would be complete without talking about autonomous tech. Hypercars are now being equipped with driver assist systems that feel like having your own personal pit crew on board. While these systems can take over during heavy traffic or long drives, they also enhance safety during high-performance scenarios. So, you can push your car to its limits with confidence. But let's address the elephant, or should I say, the Tesla, in the room. Are these hypercars fun? Isn't part of the joy of driving a hypercar the roar of the engine, the vibrations in the steering wheel, the smell of burning rubber? Well, here's where sound design comes into play. Electric hypercars are now equipped with custom-engineered sound systems that create synthetic yet exhilarating driving sounds. Think of it like having Hans Zimmer score your drive. Okay, maybe that's a bit dramatic, but you get the idea. As we move forward, the electric hypercar isn't just a car, it's a statement. A statement that says we can have it all: speed, luxury, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology. The future isn't just electric, it's electrifying. Thanks for joining me on this ride into the future of electric hypercars. If this glimpse of tomorrow has you revved up, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. What excites you most about this shift in the automotive world? And hey, don't forget to subscribe, because the road ahead is filled with more exciting tech, sustainability breakthroughs, and, of course, the cars that make our hearts race. Until next time, drive safe, dream big, and stay electrified.